Fuck, what are you cooking?
Chicken noodles, mate.
Oh yeah?
Dang the what?
Fucking hell.
What are you thinking, Brent?
Are you fucked, cunt? Dude, that's my fuck. Ah! Why are you on my phone? Be careful! Fucking idiot!
Look, temperatures come up. It's so fucking hot. So you get putting in fucking hot water, you dumb.
Yeah, chuck it in the fridge.
Yeah, but it's cool, the only fucking. Where is Jaden?
Bro, you can't put noodles down the sink, bro.
You
Literally.
can't put a phone in fucking boiling water, you dumb fucking cunt.
Yeah, but don't... Come on, bro.
Oh yeah, come on, bro. Come on, bro.